Hi, bestie. I have Happy Mail. Happy Mail. This Happy Mail is from BeauTIFFul. If you're in the planner community, most likely you know about BeauTIFFul. But just in case if you're not, and if you're new to it, BeauTIFFul, she sells the most beautiful pens within the planner community that we fell in love with years ago. And she sells some other items. She sells stickers, planners, and other accessories as well. But she number one been well known for her pens. And this is her 10th anniversary box. So if you ever see me writing with a pen that has some crystals or pearls in it, it's from Shop VillabeauTIFFul. Alright, so the box is open. Now it's time to get into the things that VB added. Let me move this box a little bit. Okay. Not sure. Let me move the box out the way. And then I'll just go ahead and take the items out. But Bessie, let me know. Did you get the 10th anniversary box? Let me know in the comments whether or not you did get it. Were you considering getting it? But if you didn't get it, you was thinking about it, hey, I got it, so I can just show you exactly what we got in the box. Alright, so this right here. What is this? Hold up. Should I open this now? Oh, this number 6. Alright, let me put that to the side. Let me go ahead and pull everything out of the box, because I forgot this is a numbered thing. So I always try to get her box every year. I've been getting her box every year for a while, but for the OGs in the Black community, you all remember when she used to have those monthly kits, and then she used to have her drops of new pens on Thursdays. Now I do remember it being on Thursday because that's when new movies will come out, and I will always be sitting in a movie waiting to order those pens. So that's one reason I remember about her releases being on Thursdays. Because baby, them pens used to sell out so quick back in the day. She don't do drops like she used to. So, but I still support her because she's one of my favorite shops. Alright, so let me open up number 1. Now, I always get confused with the Amazon box. Should I open it with the last one first? Alright, I almost have it open, guys. The bow on here is absolutely pretty, and I'm thinking it's one of those reusable tote bags. That's what I think this is what this is. And I almost got it open. Please bear with me. I am struggling. Oh my gosh. I'm sure I'm getting it. Alright, here we go. Alright. Yes, it is a bag. It's big too. It's a really nice size. And you see all the designs that she have on here? Yeah, this is definitely her designs with the little bears on here. So definitely can find use for the bag. Alright, so now package number 2. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, it's acrylic. Alright, so it says acrylic clips. Let me take it out the package so you can see it. Alright, so we got 2 acrylic clips here with the bow and a little bear. Alright, so that's something you can stick in your planner, your notebook, your journal. Alright, let me put that to the side. Let me find package number 3. Alright, so this is package 3. Is this a planner or a notebook? The shape of it and the feel of it seems like it's either a notebook or a planner. So let's see. I have a few of her notebooks through the years in different sizes. I know I have a B6 one because I actually have, okay, this is pretty. It's a pink A5 notebook. This is really pretty. So it's an A5 dot grid notebook journal. It has 200 pages in here. I see it has the ribbon where you can put the page finder here like that. And then also it has this elastic strap that you can place to hold your binder. I mean, not your binder, your journal together. And the quality of the material feels really, really nice. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely can use this. Definitely going to add this to my lineup for 2026 because I do like the journal. Alright, so now I'm on package number 3. Okay, so this is washi tape. So I have 2 rolls of washi tape. I'm not a washi girl. I remember the phase when I did have FOMO with Simply Gilded. I used to buy all of the washi. I even had a subscription, but I never used it. But my FOMO day is gone. So number 5. Let's see. So you ever see me, I'm probably gonna just destash some washi tape. So this is some nail art here. It's really cute. Alright, so this is number 6. Let me open this up. I think this is what we had a sneak peek on Instagram. And I can't remember what I said. She asked us to guess what it was. Alright, so I almost have it open. And I'm gonna, it says acrylic stand. Alright. So I need to put this, it is too cute. And I can say through the years, she has given us a few acrylic stands for our beautiful pens. So this is absolutely adorable. And can't wait to add it to my desk. It probably has some protective film on it. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put it together and I'll just come back and just remove the protective film later. Let me put this together so you can see how it stands. But this is too cute. Too cute. For all the pens that I have, I definitely can put this to use. And I would definitely just have my Villa Beautiful pens in this cute little stand. Alright, so that was day number 6. Let's go ahead and open day number 7. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a slip-on supply sleeve. And it has acrylic zipper pull on it. So you can wrap this around, I guess, your journal or your notebook. Okay, so I'm going to place it around the journal so you can see how it looks. Okay, so now let's go to, day 8? Let me find 8. Alright, so here is day 8. Okay, so we have a sticky note set. I probably can add that to my pocket. Alright, so number 9, day 9. See what day 9 is. Almost finished. Almost finished, besties. So bear with me. This is too cute. Too cute. So it's a keychain. It's a keychain and it has a lanyard with it. And it's a shaker, guys. Look at the little pieces inside. Now this is different and this is too cute. Too cute. Okay, I'm gonna add the lanyard to the keychain. Alright. Now let's go to day 10. This felt like this is probably a pen. And I always love the anniversary pins. I collect the anniversary pins. And then sometimes I buy them again. Alright, so the anniversary pin this year is pink. And then it looks like the hardware is black. Love the hardware on it. This is absolutely adorable. Okay. And when you buy pens from her, she does give you a refill. Alright, so now going to day 11 with this box. And I think this is what we had a sneak peek on Instagram as well. This tumbler is so cute. So cute. Now, if you're a planner girl that loves pink, this box is definitely for you. Okay, and now let's go to day 12 envelope. So this has to be like some stickers, probably some planner cards or something with this last envelope. So let's see what I got. Okay. Alright, let me move this over a little bit. So I definitely can make this into a dashboard for my CP Petite. Alright, got my 2026 stickers. We got these die cuts here. And I have to make sure I place them somewhere so they won't fall out. And it looks like we got several sticker sheets. Yeah, we got several stickers that I can use in my monthly, my weekly, or journaling. You know, we can always find a use for planner stickers. So Bessie, that's it. Let me know what your favorite item is out of this year's anniversary box. And thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, like, and have an awesome day, bestie. Toodles!